Physical custody means the actual time the child spends with the parent. And legal custody means the decision-making authority the parent has over the kid's education, health, and/or welfare. Child custody is equated with legal custody, which means decision-making authority. Parenting time means the amount of time a child actually spends with a parent. They are determined in accordance with what is in the best interest of the child. A child may live primarily with one parent, which would mean that parent has primary physical custody as opposed to visitation. However, even when living primarily with one parent, both parents may still share joint legal custody, which means that any decisions concerning the child's health, education, or welfare must be made jointly.